Hey everyone, welcome back to the Social English Podcast. In today's episode, we are going to talk about how to sell something of yours, how to sell it. That's today's episode. Hikari, please kick it off.
皆さんこんにちは。毎日少しずつ社交に使える英語の上達を目指すソーシャルイングリッシュポッドキャストへようこそ。今日はぜひもっと自信を持って英会話してみましょう。Are you ready, Percy? Let's go!
Thank you, Hikari, for that great intro, as always. And I want to thank everyone for listening to me today. Thank you for spending time with me to listen to the Social English Podcast to help increase your English skills a little bit every day. So if this is the first time that you're listening to us, welcome to the show. If you're a returning listener, thank you. I appreciate it so much, even more. Please continue to listen and tell your friends. Also, please help out the show at patreon.com if you like the show. You can also ask to be a guest and we can help your social English online on the podcast with no problems. Okay, so today we're going to talk about you selling something of yours. You have something special that you want to sell. You want to sell something. Okay, you have an item, something to sell to someone, and you want to ask them in English or talk about it in English. Okay, that is today's episode. So first, what I want you to do, as always, is relax. Relax. Think about you and me at your local favorite cafe. At this cafe, we are sitting down, relaxed, having a cup of coffee. The coffee smells delicious. I'm having a mocha latte, and you possibly a cappuccino and a snack. What we're going to do, as you invited me to the cafe, your friend, me, Percy, and you invited me to the cafe so that we can talk about English because you have questions. What I want to talk to you about is a question that a listener asked me. And I want to help you learn how to increase and improve your conversational English by listening to his mistakes and listening to how I correct them. Okay. So once again, today's episode, we are going to talk about you want to sell something. Okay? So you want to talk about how you are going to tell everyone about this thing that you want to sell. So we want to use, the question is, do you want to use my thing is on sale? My thing is on sale. Okay. That is the question. Okay, so let's go over it. I will give you the Japanese Learner of English's version. And then I will give you the corrected social English version of the same exact thing. Okay, so please listen carefully. Please listen carefully. Okay, this is the Japanese Learner of English. This is his question. Okay. My car is on sale. My car is on sale. Okay, so that is the question or the sentence. My car is on sale. Now, this is not correct conversational English, and it isn't correct English because when we talk about something being on sale, it is usually you're not talking about something that you own yourself, but you are talking about something from the store or a place, a shop, not your own things. You would not use on sale. It is very strange in conversational English. You can use you actually do not use this, but it's you may hear it sometimes by people whose English level, especially their conversational English, is not that strong. Their English level. Okay, so let me give you two solutions, two ways to say this particular thing. Okay. My car is for sale. My car is for sale. Or, I'm selling my car. I'm selling my car. So the key here is in social English and conversational English, you are speaking to one or more persons. In this conversation, we are speaking to one person, and we are talking about our car that we want to sell. This is why we would use these two ways to talk about this. Okay? Let's go over those again. My car is for sale. I'm selling my car. Okay. So that's how we talk about that, and that's how we express that we're selling our car. Now remember, the way you need to think about this is I want to sell something. How do I tell everyone? How do I tell everyone about this thing that I want to sell? That's what we're talking about today. Okay. Now, thank you for listening to this far to the episode or in the episode, because I have a bonus for you. I have an extra bonus. Okay? Now, the exact same information, but I'm going to use a social English version. A social English version. Okay? Let's listen. Okay? Please listen carefully. I'm selling my ride. I'm selling my ride. Okay? So that is your bonus, your third way to say this. Okay, so let's go over the wrong way first, and then I will go over the three ways to say it correctly in English. The first two will be a kaiwa or conversational English, and the third one is a little bit more interesting, and it is a social English version. Okay? And the social English version you may hear in daily conversation or movies or television shows from America or Canada or even the UK. So let's go ahead and start. Okay, so here is the wrong version. Wrong version is, my car is on sale. My car is on sale. Okay, here is the correct version. First two versions are going to be conversational English. Last version, social English. Here we go. My car is for sale. My car is for sale. I'm selling my car. I'm selling my car. I'm selling my ride. I'm selling my ride. Okay, please listen carefully to those three options to talk about selling your car and how to talk about it. If it was too fast for you or you don't understand, remember you can go to our website, realsocialenglish.com, for translations for every single podcast, or I recommend you listen to this podcast at half speed. That's 0.5 speed. Okay, thank you for listening to us today and spending time with me today. I really appreciate it. I know that you learned something valuable from today's episode. Please come visit us at realsocialenglish.com, where you can get my free download, The 7 Mistakes Most Japanese Learners of English Make, and how to fix them. You will also find more resources to help you get better at English every day. Subscribe to the podcast on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Stitcher, and now we're on Pandora. Become a patron and help the show by donating $5 US to help us get better and provide more value to you. We will show you thanks by me personally thanking you by name on a future episode. You will also get new content only available there. Join us there at patreon.com/social English. That's patreon.com/socialenglish. Share our podcast on your social media with your friends. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. See you next time. And like I said, once again, thanks for listening. And Hikari, please take it away.
今日は楽しい時間をありがとうございました。ぜひ私たちのウェブサイト realsocialenglish.com を訪問して日本語訳と役立つ情報を手に入れてください。また次回お会いしましょう。バイバイ。See you next time. Bye bye.